Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Bing Ads, and Facebook Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here again with a new question. But before I start, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. So let's get started on the question I have today. So guys, even in case of let me answer that. Okay, let me go with this. Please help me with this. Please reply. My Google ad account got suspended for unknown reason. This was the email I got when I asked why I was suspended. Thank you for contacting Google Ads Support. This is Subhakar, a Google Ads specialist assisting with your query. I hope you are well. Query: Google Ads account suspended. Explanation: while reviewing your account, we found violations of the Google Ads policies in this or related account. As a result, your account has unfortunately been suspended and your ads will no longer run on Google Ads. For information on the terms associated with Google Ads account, yes, please review our terms and conditions. Thank you. Okay, so this is one of the very common error when someone gets when their account suspended at Google Ads, and I can understand that your account was suspended for no reason because you actually don't know. So it happens, which is why me and my team offer such service where we can help you out in restoring your Google Ads or Facebook ads or even Bing ads or even Google Multi-Center accounts. So what you have to do over here, I assume that when they have said that Google Ads policies in this or a related account, it means that Google has clear cut idea that your old account was suspended for circumventing system, violation of policies, unpaid balance. You had some balance over here and you created a new account. So this thing I can assume through the text over here, because we have been very familiar with the Google Ads suspensions, and this seems one of the very fine errors they provide you with. As a result, your account has unfortunately been suspended and your ads will no longer run on Google. Okay, sometimes it also happens that knowingly or unknowingly you and your website is violating such websites. For a quick review, I do suggest you to go on Google, search your targeted keywords and see what your competitors are doing. Once you start finding what your competitors are doing, look around their pages, look on their website, look on their ad. Are you doing something knowingly or unknowingly? Sometimes even it's just a small claim which can cause a suspension. For instance, if you're claiming it's a health website and you place lose 5 kgs in 30 days, Google will suspend you and you will search your lifetime why did I die. So it can be reason because Google says that in case if you are making a claim, you need to add a research or proof to make it true that why you are adding a claim, or otherwise it's a wrong thing. You cannot say that lose 5 kgs in 30 days. How you are saying it? So sometimes, most of the time, it's a content related issue, which is why we have other ways to explain how you can reduce 5 kgs through we can explain something like this to make our website compliant with the Google. So these are few of the reasons which is why your account can get suspended, and looking at your competitor is the best thing you can do for you to get your account restored. But still, in case you need me and my team help, the details are in the description of this video on how you can reach us and we can togetherly work around and get your account suspended. We even help with management and account status as well. So I hope it answers your question. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye bye.